Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.21 in the blockchain space, which is noteworthy given the recent historical baseline. Normally, you'd expect a more stable range, but this positive shift might signal a change in perception among developers and users alike. Coupled with a momentum of minus 0.38, it indicates that while sentiment is improving, the overall market activity is slowing down. Our API returns rich insights that include sentiment scores and semantic clusters, allowing you to gauge public opinion and discourse around blockchain. One practical use case. You can enhance your trading algorithms by incorporating this sentiment data to identify potential entry or exit points based on shifts in public sentiment. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.